Hello dear viewers and listeners, ngej kama video nak kamat bakoj bakya. Kadai nak Happywel Sangriang channel bon lam sepi ki khubor bat ki jing tip man lakas ngi. Kimat bakong san jong ka khubor. Ther ka Russia da ki missile bat ki drone Ïaka Nongbah Kyiv Khlad khan Ngut bat Mynsaw Palat sop saw Ngut. Ki khubor ki bab nia. Ka Russia ha ka step jong ngi balang santrek nailar arjar phundu kala penlong ye jing Ther ka bajor da ki missile bat ki drone Ïaka Nongbah Kyiv bat ki wei pat ki banta jong ka Ukraine. Kat kum ka jing yetu jong ki bor sorkar Ukraine ka Russia kala pelaj arpatli ki ballistic missile bat palat chispa khat santli ki drone warla ki boria da sun beneng ka Ukraine kilala ban panhab bun na ki drone handrai bun na ki missile kila poi shakathong jongki.
Russia fired 28 missiles at Ukraine overnight, and the Ukrainians failed to shoot down any of them. 8 people were killed at this train station near the capital Kyiv, according to local officials.
Hakane ke jing Ther la pentik na ba khan nyongot ki bro kila du no ya ke jing em bat palat sau sangot kila mensaw ki kenhun jing arab bat kinong pelaj em idang peteng ban wat ya ki bla sakut haki yang ki bla toa.
Overnight, Russia launched a mass missile attack on Kyiv and Kyiv Oblast, firing dozens of ballistic missiles and drones that left residents only minutes to reach shelter. As of now, we know at least of 17 people that were killed and 44 injured.
Ki jing julor ki lakta ya ki jing kisnong ki warehouse ki karkana snakiat bat ki benta baya dai berkarel ki ding ki laklang habun ki jaka hadin ke jing hab ki missile Volodymyr Zelensky u presiden ki Ukraine ulong bakari kadang don kambun syu ki tiar da sun beneng khamtam ki Patriot air defense missile banyada ya ki nong shnong naga jing Ther ki banang jor.
President Volodymyr Zelensky has pleaded for more Patriot missiles from Ukraine's allies, including in Washington last week.
Real problem is anti-ballistic systems and anti-ballistic missiles. And of course, I shared what we need.
Kinong alam jang European Union EU, bat bun ki wei pat kiri kilapan rem jor ya kena jing Ther ka Russia, bat kilapan tikna bakin dang peteng ban kersan ya ka Ukraine. Kene ki jing ja kalalong ka wei na ki jing Ther ka bapen ya bun bereutam hakib ha usnem arjar bhendreu. Bat kapen i ba jing ya le hapdeng ka Russia bat ka Ukraine kadang peteng manra ya ki jing ka bakrau ya ki paj ba bat ya ka jing singan jong ka perthai.